Spreadsheets are powerful tools often described as clever calculators because they can perform complex calculations, organize data, and generate visual representations with remarkable ease. They are widely used in various fields, from finance and business to education and personal planning. At their core, spreadsheets are made up of a grid of cells, each identified by a column letter and row number, such as A1 or B2. These cells can hold different types of data and allow users to manipulate and analyze information efficiently. One important aspect of spreadsheets is that the data in each cell can only be of one type at a time. The three main types of data are numbers, text, and dates, or times. Numbers are often used for calculations or measurements, text is used for labeling or descriptions, and dates or times are formatted for calendar or scheduling purposes. For instance, if a cell contains the number 100, it cannot simultaneously hold a piece of text like 100. This distinction ensures that the spreadsheet knows how to interpret the data for calculations, sorting, or other operations. Data can be entered into cells either directly or automatically. Direct entry involves typing the information into each cell manually, which is useful for smaller datasets or specific inputs. However, spreadsheets also offer tools for filling data automatically, which can save significant time. For example, if you type January into one cell and drag the fill handle, the spreadsheet can automatically complete the series with February, March, and so on. Similarly, numerical patterns like 1, 2, 3 can be continued automatically. This feature is particularly helpful when working with large datasets or repeating sequences. To make data more readable and visually appealing, spreadsheets allow users to format their content. Formatting can include changing the font, size, and color of text, as well as aligning data to the left, right, or center of a cell. Numbers can also be formatted to display as currency, percentages, or with specific decimal places, depending on the purpose of the data. Borders, shading, and conditional formatting can further enhance the appearance of the spreadsheet, making it easier to interpret at a glance. For example, a table showing monthly sales figures might use bold headings and conditional formatting to highlight the highest and lowest values automatically. Creating a chart in a spreadsheet is a simple process that transforms raw data into a visual format, such as a bar graph, pie chart, or line chart. Charts are incredibly useful for identifying trends, patterns, or comparisons in the data. Most spreadsheet software includes tools that guide users through the process of creating a chart. By selecting a range of data and choosing a chart type, users can generate a visual representation in seconds. For example, if you have a table showing quarterly profits, you can quickly create a bar graph to compare the performance of different quarters, providing an immediate and clear overview of the data. Formulas are one of the most powerful features of spreadsheets and can be thought of as simple computer programs embedded in the cells. They enable users to perform calculations and automate tasks by entering specific instructions. For example, a basic formula like A equals A1 plus B1 adds the values in cells A1 and B1, while more advanced formulas can calculate averages, sums, or even conditional outcomes. Formulas are dynamic, meaning they update automatically when the input data changes. This capability makes spreadsheets invaluable for tasks that involve repetitive calculations or large datasets. The VLOOKUP function is a particularly useful tool for finding and displaying data within a spreadsheet. It stands for vertical lookup and is used to search for a specific value in one column and return a corresponding value from another column. For example, if you have a table listing product names and their prices, VLOOKUP can quickly find the price of a specific product when you enter its name. The function simplifies the process of retrieving information, especially in large datasets, and ensures accuracy by eliminating the need for manual searching. In summary, spreadsheets are versatile and efficient tools that go far beyond basic calculations. They allow users to organize and analyze data, format it for better presentation, and create visual charts with ease. With features like formulas and the VLC lookup function, spreadsheets can automate complex tasks and streamline workflows. Whether for professional use or personal organization, understanding how to harness the capabilities of spreadsheets can unlock a world of possibilities and productivity.